Get excited about the 2013 Toyota Prius plug-in. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.